All right, here is just a short video explaining some of these definitions here. So this one is, if these angles add up to 180, then the lines cut by the transversal must be parallel. This is just using a conditional statement we talked about. I believe it was lesson 215 when we were seeing, can these statements go the other way? And this is specifically talking about, okay, if this angle here, I'm using white, I don't want to use that. Let's use green. If this angle here and this angle here add up to 180, then these lines must be parallel. So we're looking for the name of the relationship between these two green angles here. The other one, we'll do it in maybe like a reddish color here. This is talking about parallel lines cut by a transversal. These angles are congruent and on opposite sides of the transversal. And so we're looking at, okay, opposite sides of the transversal, and they're congruent. We're talking about this angle here and this angle here in the name of that relationship right there. I hope this helps. Any more questions on the review, always just feel free to email me and ask.